How to log out of Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the sing in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now tap on account center. Now scroll down. Now tap on password and security. Now tap on where you are logged in. Now select your Facebook account. Now scroll down. Now find Messenger account. Simply tap on it. Now tap on logout. Again tap on logout. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.